Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy that you decided to stop by today. For my video today, I will just share a quick and simple project using some stamps and dies from Scrap Diva design. And I started off by using this adorable stamp set from Scrap Diva. It's called Christmas Stamps and Die Set number 2, and it has the coordinating dies on the back, and on the front they have the most beautiful little gingerbread stamps, cookies, bows, and a Christmas tree. I'm just struggling a little bit to get my stamp out of the packaging. It's very nicely attached to this packaging, and you can see how cute these images are. I'm using my Misty to help me stamp out these images perfectly. I love Scrap Diva's stamps. All of the stamps that I have are really high quality and stamped beautifully, and you can see how large these images are. They are perfect for coloring in with my favorite medium, which is my alcohol markers, so you will see me create with these in a second. I'm using Memento. This is a black Memento ink. It's also my favorite to use when I am doing some coloring with alcohol markers. It doesn't bleed on me and I don't need to heat set it. That is something I personally really like, that is just ready to go. And as always, to get that perfectly crisp image, even though these are nice quality stamps, you have to double stamp them. That is just my opinion, to get that beautiful result. And when I stamped it one more time here, you can see how cute these are. I picked some of my favorite color combinations and just went to town coloring these images in. I'm using BG11, BG10 and BG13. It's my favorite teal color combination. And then we have RV11, RV13, or no, sorry, RV14, I think. So that is my color combination for the main part of my little gingerbread here. And yeah, you can see for one of them, the boy version there, where you have the bow tie, it was really easy just to color in the sort of clothing. For this one, I went to town and just colored in her entire face as well, because I thought it was just so cute when it was pink. And yeah, I also went and gave them some brown parts just to make them look a little bit more like gingerbread cookies. And then I also brought out my yellow for the bows, both the bow tie and the bow on her head. And I left some white parts just to be that frosting. And yeah, then I went to town and colored in all of the Christmas tree as well. And then for the top of the Christmas tree there is this bow, but I didn't like how it looked, or I liked how it looked, but I wanted it to be more dimensional. So in the oven mitts set there is 3 sort of sizes of bows, and it went perfectly with the smallest one. And I just cut away a little bit and colored in some of the parts just to make the tree look sort of meant to be looking this way. And yeah, then I just attached it to the top of my tree, and that was done. So cute. I just love how that turned out. And then off camera I started to cut out with the gingerbread postage stamp. It's actually a die, but you can see how it looks. It looks like a gingerbread stamp, and it hasn't an outer edge, so I decided to cut free-handedly down these postage to be the same size. And then I can take a card base and attach them in color order here. You will see in a second what I did. You can see here I have them all laid out the way I want them to look on top of my card front, and then I'm just attaching them. You can use glue or tape if you like. I wouldn't use hot glue for this. I just think this looks nicer without it. And then I also went in and looked through my stash if I could find a frame, and I saw the picture frame memory decks had a frame, and I cut the center out as well, so it was just the frame. And I will arrange my stamps. And a sentiment, I needed to have a sentiment, and there was a release. In this release there was a really cute baking sentiment. It says baking spirits bright, but I just wanted to have the baking part. I couldn't fit the whole sentiment on top of this card, so I went with just the baking. So that pretty much finished off my card for today. I hope you enjoyed this process and got inspired to use your stamps and dies together. And until next time, I hope you have a great day.